You wake up thinking, the same routine all over again, as always? You close your eyes and begin to visualize a very different day, and even a very different home. You wish that what awaits you during the next few hours is the freedom to decide to spend today with your children, plan a family lunch. But instead, you're going to lose most of the day at a job that doesn't fill your heart and separates you from your loved ones, steals your dreams, and barely helps you to cover your expenses. Another morning, you sigh, and then decide finally to face up to this gray day. What you don't know is that it is totally up to you to change this story, and that right now, believe it or not, you have everything you need for success. The most dangerous thing when you wake up each morning is to believe you can't do anything else, that you don't deserve anything else. But you are wrong. You have a dream, right? You have the dream of changing your life. You have the dream of living your life just as you wish, and stop giving away the best hours and the best years of your life in order to survive, month after month. There is another way of working. Another way of doing business. Flexible, without limits, and where you can start from scratch and go as high as you want. There's a key that will open the door to another way of living life with complete freedom. Welcome to network marketing. To start your own network marketing business, you really just need to be ready to do it and have a burning desire to change your salaried position to that of a successful person with financial and personal freedom. Everything else consists of only a few small and simple steps that will start from the first day you decide to take action. I will tell you how it is possible to start today if you wish, because it is a decision that will change your life in the long term, drastically. But you don't necessarily have to change your whole routine to make it work. You can take your first steps in network marketing while still maintaining your job, earning your income while discovering yourself as a network professional. The flexibility of this profession allows you to develop it anywhere, anytime, taking advantage of any time you have free. You can start by creating a contact list of all those people you know and who may be interested in your business or your product. You may not be aware right now, but make a list of the people you know, even if you don't know them very well, even the people you meet on the train. You might not like the idea of selling to close friends and family too much, but remember, your job is to invite, and these people know other people to invite. And every day you go out, you can invite at least one person. Do you know what is the best thing about network marketing? The fact that it allows you to meet new people constantly. Some of those people will become essential for you. You'll make great friends, people you'll want to call family with pride, those who have the same dreams as you do. Can you imagine fulfilling those dreams working side by side with people who understand you? Working only with the people you want is already a dream for most people. This is possible if you open up to meeting new people with network marketing. Another advantage of network marketing is that it allows you to create your own business with minimal investment. While all traditional businesses bear large expenses and higher risks, network marketing requires little money to start. Your fee to register or to obtain the first products can be easily paid by managing the numbers in your monthly budget. Can you not go to the movies this month? Or not go out to dinner for the next 2 or 3 weekends in order to start your business? It's that simple. To create a traditional business, you would be asking for a loan from the bank. To starting your network marketing business, you just have to do without a couple of superfluous expenses. Sometimes, a small sacrifice at the beginning is all you need to start creating a life where you won't have to sacrifice the most important thing again: quality time with your loved ones. But this network marketing business is new to me, you may say. How do I know it's a legitimate business? Of course it is. It is a regulated business that works worldwide. All network marketing companies must be audited according to the regulation in each country where they operate. As in all businesses and even in all professions, there are people who don't succeed because they can't or don't wish to fully commit. Some others have bad experiences because they bump into bad professionals. Many of these people decide that the entire industry is going bad because they did badly. Can you imagine watching a bad movie in the cinema and deciding that you will never see another one? Or going to a restaurant, receiving bad service and deciding not to eat out again? This is the same logic that pushes someone to say that all network marketing is wrong. You must give yourself the opportunity to make it work for you, because it is in your hands to be able to create a business from scratch and build the life you dream of. Your family, your partner, your children, they will support you, even if at first they may think you are crazy. Don't be afraid. They will soon see that you're doing it for everyone. This decision is not only to start a new business, it's to start a new way of life from which everyone around you will benefit. Imagine waking up again without that dreadful feeling of defeat each morning. Imagine that you wake up full of energy, excited because today you're going to do something different. You'll meet people. You'll discover talents that you didn't know you had. You will have more time to dedicate to your family. Take them on a vacation anywhere in the world. Imagine that you could leave that job, finally, because your business income exceeds your salary. And you won't have to worry about reaching the end of the month, which was the way it used to be in your previous life. And if you don't just have to imagine it, what if you could start living it now? The sooner you start, the sooner you will be living your dream. Your desires, your love for your family, your wish to change and turn your life around. Your hunger for success. These are the only things you need right now to get started, and the most important things to succeed on your own terms.